Today we're going to show you how to install the EZ-FLO. Grab your instructions and parts so we can do our tank assembly. First, let's remove our old hose and install the EZ-FLO tap adapter. Slide the black and clear tube on the tap adapter. Make sure you have them in the right order as pictured. Locate the push connect fittings on the white tank cap. Insert your black tubing into the blue side and your clear into the green. As you can see, it's hard to pull the tubing out from the collet, but if you push and pinch lightly on the collet, it easily comes out. All EZ-FLO systems come pre-installed with a screen fitting for water-soluble powders. For liquid products, remove the agitation fitting and install the smaller fitting for liquid products. You can now alternate between fittings because of this quick adapter you have installed. Ensure all air is gone from the tank. Fill to the brim always. Connect your hose to the EZ-FLO adapter and you should now be ready to use your EZ-FLO system.